full detail going down on the Subaru. I'm going to take you guys through my point of view. Usually I don't record these kind of videos on my mobile jobs, but since this client wanted to drop it off at my house, I wanted to record a video for you guys to show you guys the process. Some of these clips aren't the best. I'm going to start trying to record more videos like this, but just bear with me. But as you can see from these before clips, this car has seen better days. Usually I start working on the interior first, but it's going to be a hot day, so I start with the exterior on this one. This is what it'll look like if your car has zero protection on it. Finished up with the exterior, so I'm going to take a break here and make my client thank you bundle. Got a little bit of boiling water to the legs. That sure felt good. Yeah, I'm not going to show this part. You're not going to catch me lacking. And yeah, those are the results. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments.